Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Brawlhalla game. If you want to enjoy Brawlhalla in your preferred language, then you can easily change the language setting within the game. First of all, launch open Brawlhalla game on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the main menu of Brawlhalla, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner or the options button. From the pop-up, click on system settings and under system settings, scroll to language option and tap on it. You can then keep tapping on it and it will change into multiple of language choices. Once you find your perfect language that suits your preference, you can then stop tapping on the language option. And there you have it. That is how you can easily find the language setting option and change to a different language of your preference while playing Brawlhalla on any of your devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.